Content remains king in SEO. Focus on producing valuable, updated, and relevant content that resonates with your target audience. Additionally, build your website's expertise, authority, and trustworthiness through reliable sources, accurate information, and credible references. This establishes credibility and enhances search engine visibility for your website. As the majority of internet users access websites through mobile devices, it is crucial to adapt your website design and content to be mobile-friendly. This helps search engines prioritize your site in mobile search results, improving your chances of success. With the rise of voice assistants and smart devices, voice search is becoming increasingly popular. Ensure your website content is structured in a way that answers common voice search queries, utilizing conversational keywords and natural language to improve your visibility. User experience UX plays a significant role in SEO. Google's core Web Vitals metrics evaluate factors like page loading speed, interactivity, and visual stability. Prioritize website optimization by improving site speed, reducing page load time, and enhancing overall user experience to rank higher in search engine results. Content remains king in SEO. Focus on producing valuable, updated, and relevant content that resonates with your target audience. Additionally, build your website's expertise, authority, and trustworthiness through reliable sources, accurate information, and credible references. This establishes credibility and enhances search engine visibility for your website.